Hey there and welcome to the shop. In today's video, I'd like to introduce you to Blue Demon's ER70S-2 filler wire. In this video, we will discuss some of the details of this product, some safety concerns and how to deal with them, and a short demonstration of the product. ER70S-2 is a very popular mild and carbon steel filler metal. It is used in the processes of gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, better known as TIG welding, and in gas metal arc welding, GMAW, better known as MIG welding. Filler metals are manufactured into different forms and classified into different categories. You can identify the type from the beginning letters. Let's break down this classification. The AWS classification for this product is ER70S-2. Some of the most popular classifications begin with E for electrode, ER for electrode or rod, or R for rod. In our case, ER70S-2 is manufactured into electrodes and rod form. Electrode simply means the filler metal carries the welding current in the process. Adversely, a rod would not carry any current and is heated by another source. Next, we take the first two numbers, which in our case is 70. This is the minimum required tensile strength for the weld metal, given in pounds per square inch or PSI. You take the 70, multiply it by 1,000, thus giving you 70,000 PSI of tensile strength. In the fifth position, we have an S. This letter indicates that the wire is solid. And finally, the last position indicates the composition of the filler metal. This value could be anything from 2 to 7, a G or a GS, which in our case it's a 2. This 2 indicates the filler metal is a triple deoxidized wire. These deoxidizers include zirconium, titanium, and aluminum. Deoxidizer is simply a cleaning agent used to remove contaminants from the weld pool. Since ER70S-2 is manufactured into two forms, there are multiple processes that are available to us for this product. We can use the rod form in the GTAW process, or we can use the electrode form in the GMAW process. Available electrode sizes include 023, 030, 035, and 045 wire. Available rod sizes include 035, 045, 1/16, 3/32, 1/8, and 5/32. There are a few options for shielding gas when using ER70S-2. The two most popular for MIG welding would be C25 or C100. For the TIG process, you'll typically select 100% argon, although there are other options. This product can weld in all positions. It typically utilizes DCEP welding current for GMAW and DCEN for GTAW. ER70S-2 is used in a wide array of applications. Some of the most common uses are in the automotive industry, pipe, offshore drilling, structural, racing industry, and general fab shop work. Check out Blue Demon's website for more product details and instructions on ER70S-2. Let's stop here for just a moment before I begin the demonstration portion. We need to talk about safety. The welding process can produce harmful light, fumes, sparks, and flying slag, just to name a few. You should always wear the proper clothing and safety gear while welding. This includes, but is certainly not limited to, a welding hood, welding jacket, or long sleeve shirt. I would suggest cotton or wool, as synthetic materials may melt to your skin. Next, select the proper thickness of gloves, ear protection, and safety glasses. One should always wear eye protection during the welding process. Here's a tip. Many welders will wear a small respirator, like the one seen here. It filters out some of the harmful things floating in the air. The other thing it does is direct the hot air you breathe down and out of your hood. If you've ever welded before, you know the lens can become so fogged you can't see anything. Now that we've covered the safety portion, let's set up a few coupons and I'll demonstrate this product. I'll be right back after I get my gear on. Welcome back. Now that I got my gear on, I have a test coupon set up. I have a few grooves cut down that test coupon, and we're going to use Blue Demon ER70S-2 to run a few beads. But before I do that, I'm going to use one of Blue Demon's newest product, the Blue Demon Ace Wipe, to wipe down all of my filler metal and tungsten to get any oils or greases that are used in the manufacturing of this product. I'm going to clean those off using the Blue Demon Ace Wipe. So let's get to it. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today, and please remember Blue Demon for all your welding needs. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.